Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to explain why I picked this as my go-to air compressor for the Jeeps. If you stay till the end of the video, I'll explain why I really think you should give this or any Smittybilt product a chance. I did have an experience recently, and I'm going to show a video clip right now. What I'm going to do is air down my tires. Fortunately, I have KO2 33s and I have NATO grapplers at 35s. I'm going to air them both down to about 10, put a stopwatch on, and bring them back up. And then I'll also go over the modifications that I did for these, because for some reason, the one gripe that I have over Smittybilt is that they do not have American or ASC plugs on them. So I put ASC plugs on mine. All right, guys, let's go to the air depth. Alright guys, so as you see, we are down to about 15 pounds pressure, which is pretty much what we run on trails. I'm going to do the same thing to the 35s over there. Alright guys, there we go, 15.5 on this one, should be close enough, and we'll get the pump plugged up and we'll time it to see how long it takes. Alright guys, everything is plugged up. We're showing about 10 pounds pressure in there right now. Trusty Apple Watch stopwatch, and here we go. These are for the KO2 33s, the tires that come stock on any JL Rubicon. Alright guys, that is pretty much 2 minutes and 1 second, and we are back to 30 pounds. So for a very inexpensive compressor, 33-inch tires from about 14 pounds to 30 pounds in 2 minutes, yeah, it's pretty quick for a $200 air compressor. I'll flip around and we'll do the 35s next and see how that goes. Alright, so you can see where we're starting. on there. We're right around 10 pounds or so according to this gauge. We're gonna kick it on and see how it goes. All right, guys, it's been 2 minutes, 45 seconds. There you have it, 35s to 35 in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Not a bad deal. I'm gonna button this up. There's a few more things I want to share with you, and then we'll go inside. All right, guys, so there you have it. I hope you found this informational. Like I said, 2-year-old air compressor, simple pressure valve blew out. This will take about 2 minutes to install. You just 1/2-inch wrench, pull the other one out, put this one in, tighten it down, you're good to go. Like I said, find it. Oh, this is it. Like I said, you can put the ASC clips on here, just cut the old ones off, put the new ones in, clamp it down, go ahead and put your Teflon tape on and put whatever fitting you want on. I did that with that, as well as this crappy little yellow hose that came with it, just because somebody somewhere inevitably will need an extension. But I also bought a halfway decent air hose to keep as my main air hose in the Jeep. Also, a good thing now is that my wife has her Jeep, now I have a compressor for hers. Smittybilt does sell add-on products that allow you to mount this either, I believe there's one in the trunk, on the roll cage in the back of a Wrangler, or under the seat. I will warn you, they get extremely, extremely hot. Now obviously, if you have the money and you want to go balls out and get the best of the best, the ARB twins, but to get that set up, working in your Jeep, you're probably well above $600. And if you want to get it mounted and run airlines and all that, you definitely above $600. However, I will say, if you are planning on running air lockers or any mechanics that require air pressure, do not use this for that. This is strictly for a cheap, in case you forget it on the trail, to air your tires up. That's it. You get a puncture, you lose all your air, plug it up, it'll be enough to get you back to where you can do a proper fix. Air lockers or anything the like, go with the ARB. Consider that just a mandatory thing as an additional cost when you do those locker upgrades. My mind went totally blank. Okay guys, if you found this video at all informational, answered any questions, please like and subscribe. My goal is to get monetized, so I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So anybody who feels like it, just continually watch all my videos. That would be great. And share it out and tell all your friends to subscribe. All right. So the reason for that is it's just old. Now I contacted Smittybilt. Mind you, I bought this 3 years ago, sent them the receipt. I bought it on Amazon. It was less than $200 then. It's less than $200 today. And for this $6 part that they could have sent me, that I ended up ordering from Home Depot, they sent me a complete brand new compressor, new tools, completely unused.